जो हमें ज्ञान, शांति और दया का मार्ग दिखाती है. Let us fold our hands, close our eyes and connect with the divine through the soulful prayers.
विद्यालय साधन, विश्राम साधन, प्रार्थना. गहरी सांस, बोलिए। गहरी सांस, बोलिए।
देश सिर्फ एक भौगोलिक सीमा नहीं होता, वो होता है एक भावना, एक गर्व, एक जिम्मेदारी। जब हम प्रतिज्ञा लेते हैं तो उससे हम सिर्फ शब्दों का उच्चारण नहीं करते, हम अपने विचारों, अपने कर्मों और अपने जीवन से उस प्रतिज्ञा को जीने का संकल्प लेते हैं। Now we shall stand tall and strengthen our voices as we take our pledge.
विद्यालय, विश्राम, साधन, प्रतिज्ञा।
भारतस्माकं देशः वयं सर्वे भारतीय परस्परं भारतभगिनीश्च अस्माकं देशः प्राणिभ्योऽपि प्रेरः अस्य समृद्धो विवेचनसिद्धो च वयं गौरवम् अनुभवामः विमर्शस्य योग्य अधिकारणं भवितुं प्रयत्नानां भविष्यामः वयं समित्रो शिक्षिकाणां गुणां च सदैव समानं करिष्यामः सर्वैश्च शिष्टाव्यवहारं करिष्यामः वयं सदेशं देशवासिनः प्रति विश्वासभावे देशां कल्याणे समृद्धो च अस्माकं सुखं नीतः अस्ति जयतु भारतम्।
सोच, एक ऐसी छोटी सी बिजली जो अंधेरे में रास्ता दिखाती है। एक अच्छी सोच, एक पवित्र विचार न सिर्फ हमारे दिल को रोशन करता है, बल्कि हमारे जीवन की दिशा भी बदल सकता है। And as now, listen to the thought of the day, a spark of wisdom that will quietly light up our minds.
विद्यालय, विश्राम, सुविचार।
नमो नमः। अहं प्रज्ञाकपिलदेव्या कक्षायां छात्राभवतां समक्षे सुविचारस्य अन्तर्गते श्लोकपाठे करिष्यामि। विद्या ददाति विनयं, विनयद्याति पात्रतां, पात्रत्वा धनमाप्नोति, धनात् धर्मं ततः सुखम्। अर्थात विद्या यानी ज्ञान हमें विनम्रता प्रदान करती है, विनम्रता से योग्यता आती है, योग्यता से हमें धन प्राप्त होता है, जिससे हम धर्म के कार्य करते हैं और हमें सुख प्राप्त होता है। धन्यवाद एवं आपका दिन मंगलमय हो।
दुनिया में हर पल कुछ नया हो रहा है, कहीं कुछ बन रहा है तो कहीं कुछ बिखर रहा है, और एक जागरूक छात्र वही होता है जो सिर्फ किताबों से नहीं, दुनिया से भी सीखने का हौसला रखता है। Let us now take a moment to connect with the world beyond our classrooms as we listen to today's headlines.
समाचार।
Here are the top stories making headlines in India today. Ahead of the GST Council meet, markets are optimistic about possible 10% tax cuts on hybrid vehicles and electronics. Reliance Industries also received upbeat forecast with retail and digital upbeat forecast with retail and digital ventures expected to drive over 20% annual growth. Together, these steps signal policy support and corporate strength that can further lift India's economy.
Moving beyond borders, let's look at what's taking place around the globe. India and Nigeria have submitted bids to host the 2030 Commonwealth Games, the centenary edition. India's bid aligns with its long-term goal of hosting the 2036 Olympics, boosting its global sports profile. If successful, the event could generate huge infrastructure and tourism growth, showcasing India's rising global influence.
Now, let's take a look at the business headlines the markets. Sensex gained over 200 points and stayed between 4,650, led by IT and auto stocks. Analysts also recommended corporate and Blue Star as strong performers and for investors. The strong opening to September trading shows this resilience in Indian markets despite global challenges.
Let's catch up on the latest actions and achievements in sports. New Delhi hosts the 2026 Badminton World Championship, bringing the event to India after 17 years. At the US Open, Naomi Osaka reached the quarterfinals, making a big comeback. Both stories highlight how Asian athletes and venues are shaping the global sports stage.
Let's take a look at the key happenings closer to home. A team of dignitaries headed by Madam Swati Agarwal, Assistant Commissioner KVS Arup Dehradun, visits PM Shri Kendra Vidyalaya Dirpur today for an annual panel inspection.
Now let's take a look at the sky and see what the weather has in store. Today's maximum temperature is expected to be 27 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature is expected to be 22 degrees Celsius. There is a high chance of rain and heavy showers. Thank you and have a nice day.
शक्ति होती है वो सिर्फ बात नहीं करते हैं बल्कि सोच बनाते हैं हर दिन एक नया शब्द भाषा की एक नई खिड़की खोलता है So let's learn the word of the day because when we grow our vocabulary we also grow our voice.
Good morning.
शब्द
Good morning. The word of the day is equitable. Repeat after me. Equitable. Equitable. It is an adjective. Meaning in English, fair and equal for everyone. Meaning in Hindi, न्यायसंगत. Meaning in Sanskrit, समानता. Meaning in Kannada, samana. In sentence, NEP 2020 aims to ensure equitable education for every child. Thank you.
School is not just a building of walls and classrooms. It is a place where dreams take shapes and talents find their wings. हमारे स्कूल की हर गतिविधि चाहे वो पढ़ाई हो, खेल हो या कला, हमें नए अनुभव और नई पहचान देता है। आज का ये नृत्य प्रदर्शन हमारे विद्यालय की रूह, उसकी खूबसूरती और उसके अनमोल पलों को दर्शाता है। Let us all enjoy this beautiful dance dedicated to our school and its spirit.
विशेष कार्यक्रम
Thank you.
शुक्र 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7 6 5 4 3 next 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7
principal factors and the trust that she bestows on us. Ma'am is always a source of inspiration behind our success. Ma'am, your presence has enlightened us and your words have inspired us to strive for excellence. Your feedback will refine us, refine our practices and improve the student learning outcomes. Thank you again for your time and expertise. We look forward to a productive and informative visit. Thank you.
हमारा राष्ट्रीय गान केवल एक गीत नहीं है, इसमें देश की मिट्टी का इतिहास झलकता है। So now let us all stand at attention